Welcome to music lesson number 4.
All right, the next song we're going to do is something we can use for warm-ups in the future. And it is a warm-up that requires a partner. Well, it doesn't require it, but it's super fun to do with a partner, and that's the challenging part of this. So first I'm going to sing it once through as one partner, and then I will sing the other partner, and then we'll try and sing it together. Okay, I am going to play through this song once, and then I will explain the difference between the two parts. Here we go. Buddy's got a head like a ping pong ball. Buddy's got a head like a ping pong ball. Buddy's got a head like a ping pong ball, like a ping pong ball, like a ping pong ping ping pong, ping pong ping pong ball, like a ping pong ping pong ball. Ping 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 pong. Buddy's got a head like a ping pong ball. Buddy's got a head like a ping pong ball. Buddy's got a head like a ping pong ball, like a ping pong ball. All right, that's the first part. The second part is simply going to sing pong when the first part says ping, and ping when the first part says pong. And the way it should be done is that you have to face each other and try not to mess up, even though you're looking at each other, singing the opposite parts. So the other part would sound something like this, and warning, at the end, when before you went ping, 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 pong, this other part starts at the bottom, and it's going to go pong, 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 ping. So let me play the other part. Buddy's got a head like a pong ping ball. Buddy's got a head like a pong ping ball. Buddy's got a head like a pong ping ball, like a pong ping ball, like a pong ping pong ping pong ping pong ping ball, like a pong ping pong ping ball. Pong 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 ping. Buddy's got a head like a pong ping ball. Buddy's got a head like a pong ping ball. Buddy's got a head like a pong ping ball, like a pong ping ball. Buddy's got a head like a pong ping ball. Buddy's got a head like a pong ping ball. Buddy's got a head like a pong ping ball, like a pong ping ball, like a pong ping 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 pong ping pong ping ball, like a pong ping 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 ball. Pong 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 ping. Buddy's got a head like a pong ping ball. Buddy's got a head like a pong ping ball. Buddy's got a head like a pong ping ball, like a pong ping ball. Okay, that was actually really, really weird looking, right, Blue? Super weird, but I'm going to keep it in anyway. So I tried to do the two-partner thing without my daughter Leah here to help me. So it was a little weird, but it gives you an idea of how that song goes. Hope you had a good laugh over it. It's called Pandemic Embarrassment. Right, Blue?
Welcome to Lesson 3. You're getting closer to reading real music. In this lesson, we're going to get you ready for that. Specifically, we're going to start getting those ears prepared. That means we want you to get used to hearing certain combinations of sounds. We call these patterns. We're going to start by singing the scales that you're getting used to by now. We'll go through them a little bit faster than you have before. We'll sing through the scales, first looking at them vertically. Notice over to the right side pictures of hands. Those hands are doing what we call solfege hand signs. It's like the sign language for solfege. We definitely encourage you to make these hand signs as you sing along to these videos. Let's start with our major scale. Here is Do. Do. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Now let's sing a minor scale. Here is La. La. 1, 2, ready, go. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. Let's sing a major scale one more time. Instead of looking at it vertically, this time we'll look at it written out from left to right. Here is Do. Do. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now, let's finally get into these patterns. Patterns are like teeny little songs or just an idea of a melody, usually just 3 or 4 notes. Also, these are tonal patterns, meaning that they are made of pitches but no rhythms. In Lesson 5, we will introduce you to rhythm patterns as well. Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi. Mi, re, do. Mi, re, do. Do, re, do. Do, re, do. Do, mi, do. Do, mi, do. Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi. Mi, re, do. Mi, re, do. Wonderful.
Okay, it's time to spell some words on the staff.
All right, here we have our first word. It's in the treble clef. Take a look at the first note. Remember the spaces spell F-A-C-E. And if you said the first note was F, you are correct. Take a minute to look at the other ones, the other notes. It spells feed, F-E-E-D. All right, our second word, treble clef. Take a look at that first note. If you said C, you are correct. Take a look at the other notes. If you said cafe, you are correct. Here we have some more notes. Remember the lines spell every good boy does fine or whatever other mnemonic you chose for the 5 lines. Treble clef, first note, B is correct. Look at the other notes. They spell bead. All right. Okay, here we have another word. Treble clef. That is a D. Take a look at the other notes. It spells dead.
Before Christmas, some classes started learning the song Hashivenu. It's an Israeli song. It's a 3-part round. It's the Israeli prayer sung in the synagogue as the Ark is closed after the Torah service. And it's considered to be one of the most significant prayers in the Jewish tradition. And the lyrics are taken from Lamentations 5:21. Basically, the lyrics mean, help us turn to you, Lord, and we shall return. Renew our lives as in days of old. So I'm going to sing it through once, and then I will sing it with my family. And I would love for us to sing this next year, and in preparation for that, sing it with your family. All right, here goes. Adonai, I want to end our lesson today with a recording of a children's choir from France singing a song composed by John Rutter. Now, last spring, you sang one of his songs, For the Beauty of the Earth. And like that song, this one also is one of praise to the Lord for all the beautiful things that he has created and made for us to enjoy. So I chose this particular song for a few reasons. One, I love John Rutter. He's one of the greatest composers of our time. Secondly, I thought it was appropriate for this time of year when so many new things are budding and coming forth from the earth. We really appreciate the new life coming up from the ground. And thirdly, this arrangement was sung by some friends of mine at my wedding, which was 33 years ago this week. So I thought of this song, of course. I chose this choir, this particular one, because it has a lovely, lovely choral sound that I wanted you to hear. So I do hope you'll enjoy it, and I'll see you next week.